Over the weekend, we had some workers at home and I made these delicious muffins for them. These muffins were so good that they asked for takeaway. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Let's get started. To a bowl, add sugar, melted butter, sunflower oil, vanilla extract which I added off camera. Mix together until well combined. Now add milk, sugar-free plain yogurt, and mix together. Whilst mixing, add the eggs one at a time and mix together until well combined. Thank you to all my subscribers, and if you're new here, please join the family. We share lots of yummy recipes made with love. Now add the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, sieve to remove any lumps, add salt, and lastly baking powder. Mix together until well combined. Once the batter is ready, refrigerate for at least an hour or even up to 12 hours. By refrigerating the batter, you allow the ingredients to mix together. Most importantly, when you bake the cold batter on high temperature, you have a beautiful peak. After 1 hour, transfer into a cupcake mold, filling it 3/4 of the way. Now sprinkle some sugar, as this adds a beautiful crunch once the cupcake is ready. This step reminds me of Spain because that's where I learned how to make muffins like this. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for around 12 to 15 minutes, or an inserted toothpick in the middle comes out dry. Once ready, remove from the heat and enjoy. These muffins are light, very tasty, fluffy, and irresistible. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you receive a notification whenever I post a new video. And until next time, remain blessed.